Mélanie Cros has been interested in thread and textiles since childhood. When she discovered the manufactured des Gobelins and its contemporary tapestries, it was love at first sight. Having graduated from the Haute Lice atelier at the manufacturer's des Gobelins in 2020 as a fibre artist, she set up her own workshop to weave her own works, seeking both realism and new textures, wanting to let her imagination run free. The tapestry in Heallreaf 4, Echo, Lark Los Angeles, is the result of a great friendship. Passionate about Los Angeles and fine and complex weaving, Melanie wanted to immerse herself in the universe of a partnered friend. This piece represents some streets of the Echo Park district in Los Angeles. In October 2022, Melanie was awarded with the Vermeil Medal by the French Academic Society of Arts, Sciences and Letters for her works and career.